Welcome to today's Business Report. I'm Denise Williams, here to bring you the stories shaping the financial world and guiding your journey to smarter business decisions. Let's dive into the top headlines. Tyrone Wilson, Chairman, President, and CEO of Kintyre Holdings, and part of the Visual Vibe leadership team, announced more than 40 indoor advertising locations across the island. Wilson noted that when we acquired Visual Vibe, it had no indoor presence. We introduced our first two initial screens, then diversified further by launching advertising backpacks in December 2024. Wilson continued, today, with access to more than 40 indoor locations in supermarkets, retail outlets, lifestyle centers, and other high-traffic venues across Kingston and St. Andrew, St. Catherine, Clarendon, Manchester, St. Elizabeth, St. Anne, and St. James. Bank of Jamaica licensed foreign exchange and remittance provider Alliance Financial Services Limited has officially signed an agreement with RIA Money Transfer, a global leader in the cross-border money transfer industry and business segment of Euronet Worldwide Incorporated. Alliance, a Sagicor Jamaica Group subsidiary, will take advantage of RIA's industry-leading service portfolio across its network in Jamaica, thus introducing an additional international money transfer provider to its growing portfolio. At present, Alliance Financial Services operates 6 proprietary branches across the island in Kingston, Portmore, Maypen, Mandeville, and Montego Bay. It also supports a network of 96 sub-agent locations. These service points accommodate both in-branch and digital transactions, ensuring wide access to remittance services throughout Jamaica. For the trading period ending September 11, 2025, these were the most actively traded stocks. Toll road operator Trans-Jamaica Highway Limited with 49,679,692 units traded, representing 84.20% of market sales volume. International hardware distributor Fosrich Company Limited with 2,709,211 units traded, representing 4.59% of market sales volume. Alternative energy provider Wigton Energy Limited shares with 1,333,568 units traded, representing 2.26% of market sales volume. We now shift our focus to the Forex market rate set by the Bank of Jamaica. On September 11, 2025, the Bank of Jamaica reported US $54.22 million purchased and US $56.71 million sold by Forex traders. Forex traders earned $1.67 per dollar, selling the US at $161.49 and buying the US at $159.82. The Canadian dollar netted Forex traders 58 cents per transaction, with selling at $117.24 and buying at $116.66. The British pound yielded Forex traders $4.91 in profit, with selling at $219.03 and buying at $214.12. For our credit report tip of the day, stop letting your credit report sit idle. Turn it into a tool for action. Build a strategic portfolio with credit cards, personal loans, auto loans, and mortgages. Every small payment, every well-managed account positions you as a reliable borrower, opens doors to better rates, and sets the stage for long-term financial growth. And these benefits include an improved credit score, access to better rates, higher credit limits, financial flexibility. It demonstrates stability and it leverages opportunity. When you are building something from nothing and you're moving beyond financial resilience as a professional woman over the age of 45, stop letting money tighten your chest, steal your sleep, or dictate your mood. At 45 or above, you've managed debt, built savings, invested in your future, acquired assets, and navigated family experiences. But now it's time to take full control. Shift stress into strategy, turn doubt into decisive action, and replace hesitation with confident moves that expand your wealth. You're not here to survive, you're here to act, grow, and claim financial calm and freedom as your new normal. And that wraps up today's business report. I'm Denise Williams, reminding you that every financial decision is a step toward your future. Until next time, stay focused, stay informed, and keep striving for success. See you soon.